Good morning everyone. So we will continue our class, that is the 12th problem. So what is 12th problem? They have given one figure. So by using that figure we have to solve this. So, what we have to find in a figure, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle at Q. This is a right angle triangle, that means this angle will be equals to 90 degrees. So, angle Q is how much? 90 degrees. And ML is parallel to RQ. This ML line segment is parallel to RQ line segment. Okay, next. And LMR is equals to 130 degrees. What they have given? LMR, that means angle M is equals to 130 degrees. Next, find LPM. What we have to find? LPM. LPM, that means this angle we have to find. Next is PML. 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 This angle we have to find. Next is PRQ. PRQ. This angle we have to find. Okay. So what we have to find? This angle and this angle we have to find. Now how to find we will see. So first write the given things here. From triangle PQR, what they have given? Right angle at Q. That means angle Q is equals to 90 degrees. And what they have given? ML line segment is parallel to RQ line segment. These two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, they will not intersect at any point. Next, what they have given next is L M R is equals to 130 degrees they have given. This angle they have given as 130. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of LPM, comma, PML and angle PRQ. So these angles we have to find. Okay, so what we have to find? This angle we have to find. This angle we have to find. And this angle also we have to find. So how to find this we will see. So before finding which angle I am finding here, I am finding first M angle. So if you take this M angle, this is a linear pair, that is it is forming one straight line. So what it is forming? It is forming one straight line. That means if you add these two angles, that will be equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so now how I am writing that? I am writing in the form of angle PML plus angle LMR is equals to 180 degrees because it is forming one linear pair. Linear pair is nothing but 180 degrees. PML, LMR. PML is in this form. PML. Next is LMR. LMR. So it is forming one straight line here that will be equals to 180 degrees. So this angle they have given as 130. I am finding this angle now. Okay, by using what I am finding? By using linear pair. Okay, so PML we don't know, so I am writing as it is PML plus LMR they have given as 130 degrees is equals to 180. So send this 130 to other side. PML is equals to 180 minus 130 degrees. Angle PML is equals to how much? 50 degrees. So you got the angle PML value as 50 degrees. So this one you got it as 50. Okay. Now what we have to find? I want to find this angle P. Before finding this angle P, I am finding this angle L. Because if you take these two angles, these two will be corresponding angles. This angle and this angle will be corresponding angles. Always it will be equal. That means you can write angle Q is equals to, you can write in the form of angle MLP, that is equals to 90 degrees. Angle Q is equals to angle L. This L I wrote in the form of 3 alphabets, that is M, L, P. Okay, so angle Q is equals to angle L. It forms a corresponding angles. Always the corresponding angles will be equal. So angle Q, angle L I am writing in the form of 3 alphabets, M, L, P. Okay, that is M, L, P. That will be equals to 90. Now here you got 90 degrees. Now which angle I want to find? Angle P I want to find. Angle P is nothing but LPM. LPM. That's why I wrote this also in the form of 3 alphabets. Okay. So now by using ASP, that is sum of 3 angles will be equals to 180 degrees. By using ASP, I am finding this P angle. Okay. Now angle P, how you can write? Angle P you can write in the form of LPM plus angle L, angle M value how you can write? That is angle PML, PML, and angle L I wrote in the form of MLP, that is equals to 180 degrees because by using angle sum property. Okay, understood till here? So I got angle PML value. So here these two angles are corresponding to each other, so that will be equal. Here 90 means here also 90. This L I wrote in the form of MLP. I wrote in the form of 3 alphabets. Which alphabet will be in the middle? That will be the angle. Okay. So now I am finding this angle P value by using the ASP property. That is angle M I can write in angle P I can write in the form of LPM. Angle M I can write in the form of PML, and angle L I can write in the form of MLP. Okay, that is angle P, angle M, angle P, angle M, angle L. That will be equals to 180 degrees by using ASP. Okay, so LPM is how much? LPM we don't know, so we are finding that. So I am writing as it is. Plus PML value we got as 50. And MLP value we got as 90 is equals to 180. Angle LPM is equals plus 50 plus 90 will be 140 is equals to 180 degrees. I am transposing this 140 to other side, that will become what? Subtraction. So LPM is equals to 180 minus 140. Angle LPM is equals to how much? 40 degrees. So you got the angle LPM value also. Now what I have to find? I have to find this angle R. Angle R is nothing but PRQ. PRQ. So this angle I got it as 40. Okay. Now again I am using ASP property only. What is ASP property? Angle sum property. Sum of 3 angles will be equals to 180. Now I am using the single alphabets. What is that? Angle P plus angle R plus angle Q is equals to 180 degrees by using angle sum property. Angle P is 40. Angle P is nothing but LPM. These both are same. This is in the form of 3 alphabets. This is in the form of single alphabet. Okay. Now plus angle R we don't know. Angle R we have taken in the form of PRQ. Or you substitute in the form of 3 alphabets only here. So angle P I can write it as angle LPM plus angle R you can write in the form of PRQ plus angle Q you can write in the form of RQP is equals to 180 degrees. That forms by using angle sum property. So LPM is how much? 40 degrees plus R value we don't know, we are finding now, plus Q value we got as 90 is equals to 180 degrees. So angle PRQ is equal PRQ plus 90 plus 40 will be equals to 130 is equals to 180 degrees. Now I am transposing this 130 to other side. PRQ is equals to 180 minus 130. Angle PRQ is equals to 50 degrees. So you got the angle PRQ value also. So with this problem is completed. Okay. So this is the problem. Next, 13th one, last bit in this exercise. In figure ABCD, find angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. We have to find all the angles here. So we have given the figure. This is which type of figure? How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentagon. If it is having 5 sides, we will call it as pentagon. So here A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Now I want to find the value of angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. Okay. Now how to find this we will see. So from figure A, B, C, D, E. So I am dividing this figure into 3 triangles. How I am dividing? This is one triangle. This part is one triangle. This is second triangle and this is third triangle. That pentagon has been divided into 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now first I am taking this triangle. Okay. So what is a triangle? From triangle ABC. All the alphabets I am writing in the form of 3. All the single alphabet, single angles I am writing in the form of 3 alphabet angles. Okay, first angle A. Angle A, how I can write? BAC I can write. Plus angle B, how I can write? CBA I can write. Angle C, how I can write? BCA I can write. That will be equals to 180 degrees by using ASP. Okay. Next, I am taking this triangle now. This is 1. I am taking this triangle. Angle A, how I can write? That is CAD I can write. Plus angle C, how I can write? ACD I can write. You write here from triangle ACD. So angle A, how I am writing? CAD plus angle C, how I am writing? ACD plus angle D, how I am writing? CDA is equals to 180 degrees by using angle sum property. This is equation number 2. Expression number 1. 2. Okay. So next triangle. From triangle AED, I am using this triangle now. Angle A, how you can write? Angle A you can write as DAE. DAE. Angle E, how you can write? AED. Plus angle D you can write in the form of EDA. Is equals to 180 degrees by using ASP. This is equation number 3. Now what we have to do, we have to add all the 3 equations. Adding 1 plus 2 plus 3. So what is 1 here? Angle BAC plus angle CBA plus angle BCA plus, now this angle. What is that? Angle CAD plus angle ACD plus angle CDA plus, now this one, angle, I am writing here, angle DAE plus angle AED plus angle EDA. That will be equals to 180 plus 180 plus 180. Okay, now bring all the angles, same angles together. So what is the angle A here? Angle A, still where it is? Angle A. You have to see the middle alphabet. Middle alphabet belongs to the angle. Angle A, angle A, angle A. Only three angle A's are there. What are that? B, AC plus angle CAD plus angle DAE. This is full is angle A. Next is angle B. Angle B, middle alphabet you have to see. Angle B, where is angle B? Only one. So plus angle CBA. This is angle B. Plus, now take angle C. C alphabet. Only two are there. So angle BCA plus angle ACD plus angle C is also completed. Now angle D you see, angle D and angle D, only two are there. So angle CDA plus one more is angle EDA. So this is angle D. Next is angle E. Where is angle E? This one. So plus angle AED, only one is there. Okay. So this is angle E. Next, add this all. 180 plus 180 is 360. 360 plus 180 is 540. 360 plus 180. So will be 15. 3, 4, 5. That is 540. Okay. Now, angle A represents which angle here? Angle A is equals to angle 1. This full will be angle 1. Angle B is equals to angle 2. Angle C is equals to angle 3. Angle D is equals to angle 4. Angle E is equals to angle 5. Angle E is equals to angle 5. So what you got the answer as? 540 degrees. So this is our solution. So what you got? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is 540 degrees. So with this, our exercise is completed. Next is exercise 4. What is the next exercise? Exercise 4. So already you know what are interior angles and what are exterior angles. Interior angles means are angles which lies inside, and exterior angles means the angles which are lying outside of a triangle. Okay, so in this first bit, they have given one figure. By seeing that, you have to write which are interior angles, which are exterior angles, and which are exterior angles. So here, B, X, C, Z, A, Y. So we have to write the interior angles and exterior angles. I am writing again in 3 alphabets. These are interior angles. These are exterior angles. This double marking is exterior angles. Single marking is interior angles. So these interior angles and exterior angles we have to write here. First, interior angles. What are interior angles here? First, angle A. What is that? A, B, C I can write. Sorry. Angle A means angle A should be in middle. B, A, C I can write. Next, angle B. How you will write this angle B? A, B, C. And last interior angle, that is C. B, C, A. Angle A, angle B, angle C. So these are interior angles. Now next is exterior angles. So what are exterior angles? The angles which are lying outside. So this double marking are exterior angles. So how you will write this? Again I am writing in 3 alphabets. So first is Y. How you will write this Y? Y, A, X. Next is this angle B. How you will write? X, B, Z. And last is this part, that is Y, C, Z you can write. So these are exterior angles. Okay, next is second bit. They have given one figure. You have to find the exterior angle here. This angle you have to find. Here it is 66 and here it is 45. We have to find this angle C value. So from triangle ABCD, ABC, they have given angle A as 66 degrees, angle B as 45 degrees. What you have to find? Angle C you have to find. Okay, so how to find this angle C? By using exterior angle property I am finding angle C. What is exterior angle property? Sum of two interior angles will be equals to exterior angle, that is ACD. This angle. Okay, now angle A is how much? 66 degrees. Angle B is 45, should be equals to this ACD. Okay, now how much it will be? 5 plus 6 plus 5 will be 11. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So it will be 111 degrees. So angles ACD value you got it as 111 degree. So here I am using exterior angle property. So with this our class is completed. Tomorrow we will continue our class with other problems. Thank you.